Mamu! Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make chewy, soft, and yummy chocolate chip cookies with walnuts. So, let's get started! Here are the ingredients and the items you'll need. Chop or break the walnuts into pieces and set it aside. Alright, let's go ahead and mix our dry ingredients. In a large mixing bowl with flour, put brown sugar. Then add the granulated sugar, some salt, and the baking soda. Mix until well combined. Then let's set aside for later. Time to mix the wet ingredients. In a large bowl, put 2 sticks of the unsalted butter softened. Using the flat beater attachment, cream the unsalted butter at a medium-low speed. Then pour the eggs with vanilla in it. Gradually add the flour mixture. Increase the speed as needed. Continue adding the flour mixture little by little until the bowl becomes empty. Push the flour mixture to the center at any time. Now it's time to add the mix-ins. Slowly add the bittersweet chocolate chips. Next up are the pieces of walnuts. When the mixer starts to wobble because of all the goodness inside the bowl, hold down the stand mixer firmly. I think this is ready. Look at that delicious cookie dough. Carefully scrape and gather the dough from the attachment. Then remove the bowl from the mixer and let's begin scooping. Using a 1.5 tablespoon ice cream scoop, scoop a spoonful of cookie dough. Place it on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Look how I warp speed the process. Then refrigerate for 15 to 20 minutes before baking. Bake the cookies for 10 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. After 10 minutes, immediately remove from the oven. Let it cool for 10 to 20 minutes. Here you go, my soft and chewy chocolate chip cookies with walnuts. Enjoy! It's taste test time.
Look at this chocolate. Oh, yeah.